I was planning to upload a different video today, but after receiving an email from Adobe, I decided to share this one instead because I think it will be helpful for many of you. If you follow my channel, you know I only use Adobe products for my Amazon KDP business. And guess what? It is that time of the year again. Adobe just dropped their Black Friday 2025 deal. 50% off Creative Cloud Pro for the first year. That's every app you need, all in one bundle. Promo link is in the description. With 20 plus apps like Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, Premiere Pro, Acrobat Pro, and Firefly AI, you can take your KDP business to the next level. Photoshop makes it easy to design book covers, and now it's much easier with AI features. Illustrator lets you design both your covers and interiors with professional precision. Acrobat Pro makes it easy to manage your PDF files before uploading them to Amazon KDP. With Premiere Pro, you can create eye-catching promo videos for your books in minutes. Adobe Express is perfect for all your social media graphics. Think Canva, but way more powerful. And Firefly AI lets you generate commercially safe images for your books. As I mentioned in my last video about Firefly, commercial usage is crucial when using AI-generated content in your books. Adobe is very clear about this on their websites. And honestly, not many AI tools are this transparent. Firefly doesn't just offer its own commercially safe AI models. It also lets you use third-party AI models like Flux, GPT Image, Ideogram, NanoBanana, Runway, and 11 Labs. All within one tool. No extra subscriptions needed. In addition, Creative Cloud Pro gives you unlimited access to standard creative AI image features, plus 4,000 monthly credits for premium AI video and audio features. These deals run from November 13 to 28, so don't wait. Check the link in the description to grab 50% off Creative Cloud Pro. If you have a question about apps, leave a comment and I will guide you. See you in the next video.